Hello, I'm Bill Cornell. Angus Youth had asked me to present the David and Kathleen Cornell Shield at the Roundup. I was to be a dinner speaker and do the presentation. The dinner's not going ahead, so I've been asked to do a short story and video and the presentation, and at the next Roundup you'll get the longer version. David and Kathleen had always been very passionate about Angus cattle, and in particular youth. When they travelled to the United States in the 70s, they saw that over 1/3 of the members of the American Association were juniors. With that in mind, David and Kathleen, when they came back, really saw that Angus had to take on youth. Some of the projects that were included in this was in 1977, the formation of the South Australian Youth Projects Committee. Also, there was 2 members of the South Australian Committee to be under 25 years of age. Then came the Angus judging competitions. And David and Kath, with their connections to the United States, got the Illinois State Scholarship to be done, and also they went to Dave Hawkins and they got the Michigan State Scholarship, which were 2 of the great scholarships for the Angus breed that are still contested today. Another passion was heifer shows and paraders competitions. And to this end, we had in 1980 the junior program for judging came to the national show and sale, and in 1983 the heifer and the heifer paraders came. David and Kath went out there and they found sponsorship for over $27,000 to get these programs initiated. About 20 years ago, Bob Dent, the then Angus staff youth supporter, established the David and Kathleen Cornell Shield in memory of all their time, effort and legacy that they put into Angus youth. So in 2022, I'm proud to present the David and Kathleen Cornell Shield Award to this year's 2022 Roundup Chairman, Miss Annie Pumper.